Okay, welcome to our Math Careers project to kick off the school year. We're going to be answering the age-old question, why do we need math? On this first page is our introduction page. You will see as soon as you click the link in Google Classroom for this project, our first step is going to be to watch the short little clip that we have here that tells us about a few careers that have to do with math. And then this is an overview of our project. We're going to explore careers that use math. You are going to pick a career you're interested in, your group is, and then if it's not listed on the next page, then you can let me know and you can research a different career as long as you can let me know how it is related to math. And then once you choose your career, we're going to research that career and answer a few questions about it to share with the class in a presentation in your final project. So once you get to the bottom of this page, you're going to click the bottom button. Step 1, explore. On this page, you will find a list of multiple different careers. So as you can see here next to the forensic scientist, I have listed one way that they use math. That doesn't mean that's the only way. If you choose a forensic scientist, then maybe you can tell us some more ways that they can use math in your research. But an example is they use math to analyze evidence at a crime scene. Choose 3 or 4 videos to watch to see if it might be something you're interested in, and then as a group you need to choose one career to research. And once you have narrowed that down, you are going to click step 2 and go to research. In our research stage, you will see here at the top that I have a few tips for you to search the internet to find your answers that we're going to fill in our Google Doc. If you click on the Google Doc, it will open it up. Okay, this is what's listed on the page is here for you to type your information into. Now, something you may not be familiar with is this section where I have resources/websites listed. Here, I want you to include the website that you found your information. So you can simply copy it from the address bar and paste it onto your document here. That way we can cite and give them credit for the information that you found on their page. Okay, so only one person from your team will need to fill out that Google Doc, okay? We will spend a couple of days on this depending on how long it takes you to find what you need to fill in your Google Doc. Once we finish this phase, we're going to move on to step 3, presentation step. And here is where I want you to get creative. In the research phase, you are finding real information about your career, and here you get to be a little more creative and choose how you're going to present that information to your classmates and tell us all about it. I want us to be as excited about your career as you are. Here are a few different options you have to present your career. And once you decide what you might want to use, there is a Google form at the bottom of this page. And you're going to click the form and tell me who your group members are, what career you chose, and how your career uses math. And then at the bottom, you're going to tell me what you're going to create to present your career to our class. So you can choose slides, sites, or you can make a video. Or if you have another idea, you can click other and type it in there. I will review them and I will call you over and we'll discuss it and see if it's going to work for this project. And once you do that, make sure you hit submit so I receive those responses. So after this slide is when we will begin working on our final project. Okay, we will take about a week to finish up our project, so you have plenty of time to get creative and make your project interesting for our class. So we will click step 4. This is what you're going to use in the final of your project. You're going to complete your project, and then each of you will complete a project reflection. This is all about working together and building teamwork in our class too. So what did you learn from your peers? And then if you scroll down to the bottom, this is the rubric I will be using to evaluate your project. And it's fairly simple. If you include everything that I have asked you to in that Google Doc, then your project is complete. Okay, just make sure you have each of these things included and you will be all set. The main point of this project is for us to have some fun and learn some cool facts about math and careers that maybe we didn't know before we kick off our school year and digging into our standards. Okay, so I'm excited and can't wait to see your project and help you through this. And let's go get started.